This is a tour of room 19216 in the West Tower of Luxor, and this is the first time I've ever stayed in one of the tower rooms, and this is a one-bedroom renovated suite, and it really is nice. So you walk in, you've got a wet bar here, along with a fridge for your own stuff. And your seating area over here. Nice sized telly. And a view of Excalibur. You don't often get decent views from Luxor, so that's probably about as good as you're going to get. And then walking through to the bedroom area. And again, a bit of a closer view of Excalibur. Telly there and all your drawers. And then the bathroom area. You've got sort of loose hanging space here. I'm not a fan of that in hotel rooms, if I'm honest. I just think they should have a cupboard and your safe up there. Toilets around the corner here. And then in here you've got bath and shower. So yeah, I got this on well, I've actually got a host here now for some, well, not quite sure how it happened because they didn't contact me when I was here, but I got an email asking if there's anything they could do for me. So I got 4 nights free, with all resort fees comped as well. So you can't really complain at that for a one-bedroom suite. And the only thing I would say about this room, it's quite dark. I've turned all the lights on to show this video as best I can. It's quite dark, sort of dark greens, dark browns. But it is decent.